Hi guys, welcome to Angie in Wonderland, and today I am so excited to share with you and collab with I think 7 other ladies on this 4th of July home decor tour. And I'm gonna start on the front porch because that's where I always start these home tours. So I'm gonna turn you guys around and we're gonna start here. So the first thing that you see when you walk up is my front porch, and I really have worked hard on this front porch. I haven't painted my front door yet, but that's something I'm going to do very soon. I have 2 lanterns out here. I just kind of added a star on there for 4th of July. I have a little flower here with some flags, my welcome sign, my chairs with the red and white pillows, love it. Then over here I just have some wooden stars hung up, and then I have another star right there. And then that is the wreath that I have hanging on the front door this time, and then just a cute little American flag banner. Alrighty, and then on the back of the door, I have another wreath that my neighbor next door made for me a couple of years ago. And then I have a banner here that I made. It just says July 4th on it. So I made that a couple of years ago. And then as we turn around over here, I just have a little sign that says America. And then I have some Boyd's Bears sitting here as well. And then just this cute little banner right there that just says Happy 4th of July. Then over here, I have my new Mickey and Minnie that I got while I was at Disney, and a star and some pillows. Just some, you know, cute little 4th of July things that I can throw in here. There's some tea lights inside of those lanterns, so I can light those up. It looks real pretty. Then over here, I just have like a little ornament hanging on the box here that says Liberty. And then I just got these at Kirkland's. And then I just added like a little flag inside of the greenery. Then up here, I just have a flag, a wooden American flag up there. And then as you walk into the living room, this is what you'll see. On this little table here, I just added a 4th of July runner on there. I added a flag in that greenery. I just kind of hung a wooden ornament here. And then I have a Boyd's Bear there. And then this is just a little star bowl that I sat here, and then I just have a candle inside of there. And then this is just a wooden candle, I believe, from the dollar spot at Target. Then over here, I have another Boyd's Bear sitting down here, and then I just kind of put some little 4th of July decoration stuff in there. And then this is another like wooden ornament that I have hanging. And then I have another American flag there, and then that is from Hobby Lobby. And then another Boyd's Bear sitting right there. And then I just added a flag. Alrighty, then right down here, I have a little Boyd's Bear, and then a little star that I just kind of added on that. And then up here, just a little red star, and then my little bear hanging on my light. Then right here, I just have a little ornament tucked underneath there so it doesn't fall. And then I have a little banner sitting right here in front of our TV. And then a little wooden sign that says USA. I believe that is from Target. And then over here I have the same thing with a little ornament tucked underneath this so it doesn't fall. Then over here I just have a few things, a couple of stars, another ornament, a little jar with some straws in it. And then I have that red wreath there with a banner that just says Happy 4th. And then another Boyd's Bear sitting there. And then down here I have a few pillows. The home pillows, and then some of these pillows, and of course my Mickey and Minnie that I got a couple of years ago. And then I have a blue jar sitting there that's a candle, and then a mason jar filled with like red, white, and blue little like foamy balls. And then over here I have this little wooden American flag plaque window. And then over here I have just these little stacked stars. I added a little flag inside of this, and then this is just a little tea light holder that I just have sitting here, but that's what I have there. And then this again is from, oops, it's turned around. This is from Kirkland's. And then I have some stars hanging right here, and then I have another ornament hanging there. And then I put like a little red ribbon or bow on top of the lantern, and then my little monkey there. And then I added ornaments on each end of my mantle. And then of course my garland that I made a couple of years ago that I added to the mantle. And then here's the other ornament that I have. And then this is what the mantle looks like. I got that like shutter, I think at Kirkland's a couple years ago. Everything is usually from Kirkland's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, TJ Maxx. But this is what my fireplace mantle looks like. I did not hang a wreath because last year I noticed I didn't hang a wreath either. So I just kind of left it like this because I like the banner. So it just looks really cute. I love it. I love the way that turned out. My mantle is always the focal point of my decor, especially in the living room, because that's like the first thing that you see when you walk in from the front door. Okay, so over here I have a red and white throw blanket, some 4th of July pillows, that pillow, and then I have that pillow over there in the corner, and then I was making another banner. That's what I was doing right there. And then I just added a red and blue kind of like wreath right there. Nothing too fancy. I didn't take any of that stuff down. And then over here in my dining room, I really didn't change much in here. All of this stuff has stayed the same. I did switch out my blanket for the blue and white quilted blanket. And then I added those America pillows back there. And then I have a little banner on my china cabinet. And then I added this banner right there on my window. And then inside of each of these little things, I just kind of added a little 4th of July stick. Yeah, I just stuck that in there. And then of course this is just the banner that I added in here. And then I put a little wooden ornament there as well. And then up there I added just that little USA thing. So cute. And then of course the America pillows on either one of these chairs. Okay, so in my kitchen, I made this banner several years ago. It just says USA. I always hang it from this chalkboard. I didn't hang a wreath from this because I had this, so I hung this on the door, which looks really cute. And over here, I added a little table runner, which is just navy blue and white. And then I added these placemats over here for more, you know, 4th of July festive. So it's red, white, and blue. I didn't change anything in this. I just kind of left it the way that it was. And then down here I just added some red, white, and blue little towels. Alrighty, over here in my seasonal area, I just kind of switched things up a little bit. Obviously I changed out my jar from my lemons and limes to all of the red, white, and blue stars. I have a little dish here that we'll probably add like M&Ms in. I just have this cute little jar that I got at Michael's a while ago. Got this at Michael's. Added some straws because I just love adding straws. They're so cute. And then this little stars and stripes thing, my little cow, my little rooster, and then I added those little foam balls down here. And then I added just this cute little, it's a metal or tin little ornament on my little rolling pin there. And then over here, I just added a flag inside of this little plant. And then up here, this is what I did with my little window above my sink. Always a picture of my boys on 4th of July back in, my goodness, 2006, I think it was. Yeah, and then these are the Mickey salt and pepper shakers that I got, which I will never use as salt and pepper shakers. I just use them as decoration. And then another Boyd's Bear, and then some stars. And then over here, I just have a plate and then a little dish that I'll probably put, you know, mince in or some M&Ms. Alrighty. And now for my room. This is what I have on our bed this year. Last year, I think I added some other pillows on here. This year, I just wanted to keep it really simple, so I just put the 2 navy blue pillows on there with that pillow that I got at Home Goods, and then this blanket that I picked up at TJ Maxx, which fit perfectly in here with this quilt. Now, this quilt is from Cracker Barrel, and I bought this from a girl on our local for sale thread about 3 years ago, and I paid $50 for it from her, and I absolutely love it. I use it every year for 4th of July season. It's just so perfect, and now this blanket just adds to it. It just fits so perfectly in here. And then over here, I just have my other pillows sitting on these chairs with another American flag blanket right there. And then this chair, I have another throw there with some pillows and another little bear there. And then on our bedroom door, I have a wreath that I got at, ooh, I'm not sure where I got that wreath, but anyway, so I have that hanging in our bedroom. But that, my friends, is what it looks like in my house right now for the 4th of July. I like it, it's so pretty. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope that you guys enjoyed this home tour. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time on Angie Wonderland. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Have a great 4th.